Right, back again. So about 7:30 in the morning, huh? Just getting up, starting back at it, starting to pin my loose wires, my loose ends in. As you can see, this is my red connector. Pinning all my loose wires in. I will go through these later on today and explain each wire. These are wires you have to tie off into your fuse box. And your ODB 2-port plug. It's the blue. It's the blue plug here. Got about 5 wires in this one already. What I will be showing you guys today is I will extend these if I have to. I will be showing you guys me laying it out on the engine bay and running it, and I'm gonna zip tie it together, and that way I know the route of everything.